Welcome back to another exciting episode of the House of Chop. It is lovely to have you all here with me. Today, I bring to you not a project, but a correction of one of my favorite tools. Any of you who follow me on here and on Instagram know that I love my Evolution Miter Saw for cutting metals. Except it has one fatal flaw that must be fixed. Check this out. Here's the Evolution Saw, and let me show you guys the issue. Let's get this leveled off to the deck, and see by my thumb right there, that gap? What ends up happening is, when you have smaller stock, this can get all catawampus, and you end up cutting some pretty wonky angles. So what we need to do is get this leveled to the turntable. Popping that 16 gauge up here brings it right into the ballpark of perfect. What I did notice was Evolution seems to know they have this issue. And on the back side of the fence, there's actually a lip there. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it right there, to make up the difference in that gap. When I tuck that sucker up under there, it fills the gap perfectly. So all I'm gonna do is get a template off this and figure out how to connect it. Now that we got our pieces all cut out and figured out which side of the saw they're gonna go on, the next thing to do is take the template we made earlier and get the holes in those pieces. Let me flip the camera around, I'll show you guys what I'm planning on. Our 16 gauge is gonna need a hole here so we can get access to that Allen head that adjusts the support wing here. And then these two holes right here where the bolts run down through the fence and into the lower deck. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna oversize drill these just a bit. That way we don't have to nail this exactly 100% perfect. test fit up has gone well. Everything fell exactly where I hoped it would. So now I need to bend these tabs down so they'll meet the front of the base and we can lock down the front side of our new plate. To bend these tabs, I'm gonna use my Bailey mag brake. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can use a piece of angle iron over the corner of your bench or something like that. But check this thing out, it's awesome. It's kind of tough to get the camera positioned in this part of the shop, but let me show you how it works on the second piece here. What we do is we get our piece positioned on it where we want the bend. Make sure we're bending in the right direction. Take the bar that holds everything down. These come in different shapes and sizes. Hit the magnet. That locks everything down and in place. And we do our bend. Turn off the magnet. It releases the magnetic. There we go. And that's that. One last quick test fit. Make sure we didn't screw it up on the mag brake. And we're looking good. Perfect. All that's left to do now is drill holes in the face pieces here. This casting is void on the back. We're gonna pop a hole here and a hole there and hold the whole thing down. With the wing pieces waxed up and installed, there's only one thing left to do. Is the teeter test from the beginning part of the video. Let's check it out. Just like before, let's fly the camera in there good and low. The deck's looking nice. Let's get our pipe up there and check it out. Not a bit of teetering. Problem solved. Well, that's it. That's a wrap on this one. Nice, easy fix with a piece of 16 gauge I had laying around. But hit the comment section. Let me know what you thought of this video. And while you're down there, check out the description area because I left all sorts of links for you guys on the tools I used. You can even find out where to get these sweet House of Chop t-shirts. And who knows what else I left down there for you guys. So check that out. And from everyone in my tree fort to everyone in yours, from Oksana, Lee, myself, and of course, the Flying Wing Wonder Tiglet, y'all be good to each other out there, and we'll catch you on the next episode.